What up, y'all? It's RexMakesBeats, back with another sneaker review. Today, I've got the Under Armour Project Rock 1, which is the signature shoe for Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. The sock-like upper is made of knit material, which provides a compression-like fit while maintaining breathability. There are synthetic leather overlays along the side panels as well as a portion of the toe box, which allow for additional support and stability. The Under Armour branding is very subtle, with the logo embossed on the side and a larger logo stamped on the outsole. The outsole is made up of a waffle-like texture, offering excellent traction and durability. The midsole uses Micro G technology, which provides explosive takeoffs and cushioned landings. The sneaker comes with navy blue rope laces as well as an extra set of white laces as well. The Brahma Bull logo is stitched on the back heel. The back heel tab features a rubber-like stitching, which provides excellent grip. The insole design features the Brahma Bull as well as the words "Blood, Sweat, Respect."